Want to know how to debug your code in Kimi? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your Kimi AI in order to debug your personal code through any means, through any languages in Kimi AI. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up kimi.com on your web browser and make sure you are logged in as well. So we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch that. So once you have done all of that, you should be provided with this interface right here. So now once you're onto this interface, here you should be seeing a new chat right here on the left side. You can just simply select that, or you can just simply head towards history and choose anyone. So in order to debug a code, you can just simply copy paste a code right here. So you can just simply select debug this right here and also correct. So once you're done, just simply select go, and it should debug and correct your code. You can also use Kimi code, but Kimi code is paid. So this is it. Here you go. Now the code has been debugged and fixed as well. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.